a little story about total energy and other things.
Oh, yeah. Well, okay, so as he said, total energy and molecular orbitals I'll talk about, but first we need to put it into a file format that is going to allow Gauss View to show us those things, visualization. So for this, we use the checkpoint file, and I mean, I don't know if anybody had to do the format checkpoint file, but that is an option if it doesn't work. So you go to the nano screen, and from there, we did this Monday, where you change some of the functions like of the file, and it's this line that generated the actual file change to a checkpoint file. So that's what you're going to use in Gauss View for viewing a lot of sort of job details for the orbitals that you're going to be studying. And there was something else in here that I didn't include that was on our sheet that gave you a list of different job details. So if you want to look at that, it's on the sheet. And then to get it into the Gauss View, you can do it prior to launching Gauss View by typing into the program, GB and then your file name. And this is what I did. I just opened Gauss View first. And I left early Monday, and apparently that didn't work when everybody was in the nano trying to change the file format. So Wendy just dropped it into my file, and that's how I got it. But yeah, so then you open it there, and you can get to it. So this was a list of all the occupied orbitals that you can go to, and it was pretty easy to navigate that once you're in Gauss View, because you can just do edit molecular orbitals. And this gives you a lot of details, and depending on the job details you described in Nano that you wanted the file to express in Gauss View, depends on sort of the information you're going to get back. But I mean, this one, if you can see, it goes up to like 146. So those would be electrons in those orbitals. And you got your spin states and everything, so that's all fun. And that was the diagram, it shows you the diagram of your model in 3D. Cool. And this was sort of like just some more information that you don't really need to be in the checkpoint file. Like you were describing, like Paul was just talking about the basis sets. And yeah, this was just logger out, and this gives you some cool things that you might want to know, like this information of the spin and dipole moment, the charge on the molecule and everything. And okay, I didn't really know a whole lot of what I was supposed to be including into this, but this goes into the density distributions of your orbitals. And so once you optimize your molecule and everything, you're going to want to sort of see, this kind of information, and that gives you a feel for, like, I mean, electron density is important when you're considering reactions and everything with different things, and it gives you an idea of what atoms are going to sort of have that higher concentration of the electrons. And for my molecule, it was titanium, got like everything, and oxygen was left out, and calcium got some stuff in there. But yeah, that was...
Do not stop it, because you may want